Hello and welcome to this softness break. We're just going to take a few moments to recenter, to embrace the rest of our time. So as and when taking a soft stance with the feet that might be slightly wider, and as we can take a gentle sway rock. As you take that sway and shift, maybe we begin to take a hand or two to the torso. I'm beginning to feel the breath beneath the finger pads. Gently releasing the hands. We'll begin to take a big breath in. Circling, feathering the hands all the way back down. Inhaling in. Circling, feathering the hands all the way back down. One more time, inhaling. This time we'll take the palms together, taking the fingertips and thumbs to the heart. Releasing the hands by our sides, shifting and drifting the weight from one foot to the other. And I'll begin to lift one knee. And we hold, taking a little bit of a circle. Taking that leg all the way back down. Shifting into that left foot as we lift that right heel. Again, light touch, maybe we lift. Releasing that right foot down, shifting and drifting. Inhaling the arms up, hands coming together slowly through to the heart. We'll gently fold down, releasing the hands, no effort. Folding down, begin to shift the weight from one foot to the other. Rainbow-like shape with the hands. Gently beginning to stack the torso, notch by notch, lifting. Taking the arms up, hands casually coming together, down through to the heart. Releasing the hands, shifting the weight into that right foot, lifting that left heel, maybe a gentle sway or rock. Lifting the knee if you like, right hand going out to the side. And releasing down. Shifting and drifting. Weight going into that left side, lifting the right heel, right knee. And back down. Folding, letting the hands drip down towards the earth. Beginning to stack the spine vertebrae by vertebrae, shoulders casually coming over the ankles. Begin to bring the hands back to the torso. Round of breath here. Beginning to bring the hands here at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for just taking a moment of softness. May the rest of your day be soft and filled with joy.